Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to continue our hamburger writing on what we want to be when we get older. Yesterday you wrote your topic sentence. Today we're going to keep writing by adding the details. Each detail is a complete sentence, but it's also meaty or juicy. So we're not just going to say, oh, I want to do this because it's fun. I want to know more. Why do you think it's fun? You could give me 2 sentences. That would be awesome. Or you could extend your sentence. I think it is fun because da 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 da. I think it sounds cool because blank. Okay? So if you're going to tell me that it's fun or it's cool or I don't know, fun or it's cool or something like that, like I want you to expand on that. Tell me how. I want you to answer all of my questions that you might think that I have or that I would ask you in your writing before I even have a chance to ask them. Okay? So for me, I want to be an interior decorator because I like decorating, I like the colors, but also I like creating different feelings in different places. So when I walk into a certain room of my house, I want to create a mood or a feeling so that way anyone who walks into that room feels a certain way. Okay? And I like helping other people see or create their creativity. I am creative, and so I like bringing my creativity to help others who may not see their visions entirely. So those are some of my details that I might say. And again, we're going to write incomplete sentences. So, I might say, I am creative and enjoy creating different moods and environments. Okay. I can't make the things that I like fit in just my house because I like way too much stuff. So I find other people who like these things and I help them too because I only have so many rooms. I don't like a lot of stuff sitting around. If you could see the side counter in the classroom right now, it's driving me nuts because it has a whole bunch of stuff that I need to go through, sort, and organize, but like it just sitting there is driving me nuts and I'm sidetracking. So, back to our juicy details. Our sentence is going to contain information, not just be a short 1, 2, 3 words. I want you to give me a longer sentence, okay? I am creative. I enjoy creating different moods and environments. I like helping other people create a space that they can be happy with and be comfortable in. That would be my detail number 2. Detail number 3, I would have to think about that one. I have lots of reasons, but I have to think about the ones that I've already said and reword that into another one. So I'm going to go work on my detail number 2 and detail number 3 while you work on your detail 1, 2, and 3. And then tomorrow I'll see you back here for the bottom bun and our conclusion.